Okay, trying this again. Apparently using my desktop for live was not a very good idea because there was no sound. So that whole video was no good. Hopefully this one you can actually hear me, please. I hope. So like I tried to say in the last video, thank you, Jerry, thank you. Yay me, I just became Jeunesse Global, and I am super stoked because all of the products are based on nature, and there's no artificial sweeteners. There's nothing bad in them. There's nothing in them that's going to hurt you. For so long, I have tried to find products to help me, but they have too much sodium, or they have artificial sweeteners, or things that personally for myself I can't have. Now, like I was trying to say in the last video, unfortunately you couldn't hear me. 4 now. Yes, 44. And like I had posted on one of Ashley's videos, I've never really taken very good care of my skin. I never had a skincare routine. So over the past year or so, along my forehead and right here, my pores have been getting very large. I'm starting to get fine lines underneath my eyes. My eyelids are getting really saggy and loose and weird. So Jerry, he's awesome. He introduced me to this opportunity, and I joined as a distributor. Hi, Bobby. Hi. So I just got my first package in, and my other video with no sound. Oops. I did the unboxing, but I'll go back over the products that I got with you. So first off, I got the Jeunesse Cellular Rejuvenation Serum. Now this actually has the Jeunesse exclusive ATP 200 in it. It has coconut and sweet potato root extracts, and it reduces the appearance of fine lines, revives with antioxidants and vitamins, and it renews the look of skin tone. So since I didn't do it in the last one, I'm going to try and open this bad boy and see what it smells like. So, let's see here. And the bottles, I got to tell you, they are so sleek and pretty looking. Very simplistic. This is a 15 milliliter bottle. And let's see, it's got a pump top. And it's, I don't know if you can see that, but it's clear. And there's really no smell to it. So that's the first thing that I got. And then we have the Daily Moisturizing Complex, and it has SPF 30 in it. It protects the skin from premature aging with lasting hydration to reduce fine lines and dryness. And again, it has the ATP 200 in it. And now my dogs are going to start whining. They have to go out, of course. Okay, so then, again, the bottle looks very similar. And this one is actually white, very creamy. Smells, you know, it's unscented. There's no scent to it. And then, and this is for your face. Then there's the cleanser. I'm not going to open that because it'll be, well, I'll open it, but I don't want to rub it on my skin because it'll be soapy maybe, I think. This is a tube. 3 ounces, and it twists at the top, and it's closed with the plastic, so I'm not going to be able to get it open. Anyway, and then this is what I was really excited for, because here in the North Country, hi Rhonda, here in the North Country, it gets very dry in the winter, and I get very ashy, dry skin. So this is for your whole body, and it, let's see, it targets the signs of aging and provides long-lasting benefits from head to toe. And again, this also has the ATP 200 in it. So that's everything that I got this time around. As I get more products in, I will definitely be doing more unboxings. Let's see, what else was I going to say? Yes, more unboxings and product reviews. I will be trying to do weekly, if not bi-weekly, as I get new products in. And these will be uploaded as well to my YouTube. If you're interested in any of the products that I've shown or any of the other ones, definitely message me. If you're interested in joining me and becoming a distributor, because this company is absolutely amazing and world-changing, again, please just drop me a message and let me know. I hope you all have a wonderful Monday and a great week. Thank you.